Your next car could be the 2017 Buick Encore. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Have fun getting where you need to go in the sleek and nimble Encore, the small luxury SUV with a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Driving pleasure can come in small packages. See for yourself when you drive the Encore.